You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including from science, biology, this is from botany, the anatomy of plants, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You need to learn from also medicine. Two different, slightly different pronunciations in English. British English, stomata. Stomata. Or the Americans say it as stomata, which is quite almost the same. How to pronounce in English, pronunciation stomata or stomata. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.